Hello, what up, baby? How you doing?
Hi.
Yeah. Come on, man. Please, can I talk to you? Yeah, come on, baby. Come on, man. Damn. How you doing, sexy mama?
I'm good.
You're looking so beautiful, baby. Omalecha. Tomato juice. Where are you going?
I'm not your bank. I'm going to withdraw ego. I'm not Gary since not your bank. Where been came for?
In a chunak, we be withdraw ego.
Yeah.
But it's not far from this place. If you just walk up now, you gonna if you nak we be able to go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Actually, I came to see one of my mansion. I'm just completing it, but the engineer did not come today.
Wow.
Yeah, this is my beautiful mansion.
Wow, nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
And this other one, look, take a look. You see that one over there?
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I'm the one that owns it. Well,
no, got something like this, but not this design. Oh, I came now. You get fit.
God damn, baby, are you for real? You could let you nya na you will keep a jaludi boho. Then you will get the buy for banana.
Oh, no, but just that I just have 200 million in my account. Not much, just 200 million. Just 200. What is 200 million?
Yeah, if you joy banana, ni a jaludi boho. You need double 200 million. No, for real, man. See, I just came back from United States of America last week.
Okay.
Yeah. I just coming back from United States of America.
Okay.
Do you know New York City?
Yeah.
I have a very mighty studio over there where I sing and rap with Jay-Z.
Wow.
Do you know Jay-Z, the Rockefeller?
Yes.
Damn, Jay-Z is my friend, man.
Wow. That means you know Miami. Yeah, Miami. There's this structure designer Madonna Miami. You know, only one hotel near Nakoko. You know, I share one fence.
I got a big hotel, a very big hotel in Miami. I'm hotel.
Because I'm not going to check him. Has no Igbo that hotel.
Yeah, even I have a mansion in Lawrenceville. Do you know Atlanta, Georgia? God.
What am Miami?
God damn, baby.
Oh dear, baby.
So, have you been standing at my back? Otegwe kunazu.
Otego mkwogenazu na mwakwa nazu na amaha ni ijere ahụ. Awudo kwuga akwa m ga-akwa nazu.
Ihe
na m ighela akara. Ebe o. Ihe ọ na-ada ka nga na-eghe popcorn. Lokata mkpokra kata pom. Na-ada n'elu ya na-ada n'ala.
But for real, baby, I came back from United States of America. You know that, baby.
Mama, baby.
You hear him? Yeah, that's where I came from. Another. Bulu nnukwu ego.
Ibu nnukwu ego. We jide nnukwu okwu. Nne m biko isi gaje ụlọ akụ kese.
Yes, sir. I'm not sure. I'm going to withdraw ego.
Nsogbu ano. Biko. Okay.
No. Don't worry about it. I'm taking her to the bank, man. And do the bank. And I just put on your wego.
Mama, no need. We're gonna brother. No, can you help?
Don't do guy on a bank. Guy put on your wego. Can over that drama.
No need.
As escort, one the police officer. Ibu ebe ije idue. Onye ndu mu Israel. Nne m biko gawe bi ka je.
No. God damn, baby. Please, can I get your number?
Sure.
No, give me your number. God damn, baby, type it up.
Well, let me give you my phone. I don't know how to handle such phones.
All right. Call your number for me.
I'm used to iPhones.
Call your own for me.
Okay. 080 333
333
222
222.
I'm on special line.
Yeah,
1114.
Oh, 1114.
Special line. Yeah.
Damn.
Brother, why are you 2 million?
That 10 million again.
Just 2 million.
Okay.
For real, baby.
Bye-bye.
I'm not bugging Igbo. Yeah, I'm begging Igbo,
Baby.
So, your man, what am I born?
Amoromia. Onye mawugo. Ano wa juru gi n'ọnụ.
Na ife dị mma adịghị mma. Kedu nke wu igbola aja na-aga wili nnagari? I don't like good things.
Awere m aja gị hụ na ije kwuka. Gravel ka ma gravel chippings ka nga ewere ote kwuo gị n'ime ndụ gị. Ndụ gị ọnụ ị na-eji emebe ibe mbere gị ka ogo ote besa gị anana. Ihe nwe dị shame na ndụ gị. Enyi gị nwoke no the other side. Guzoro ote na azụ Toyota Camry. Azụ GY gun. Azụ nta azụ ma nke a na-echa ya ma bedroom na igere amochari ma beria grand nwere ya nọ n'ọfọdụ n'ime moto ke. Gị nọ nga na Atlanta, Georgia.
No, but for real, baby, I came down from United States of America and you know that I stay in Atlanta, Georgia, baby.
Ị ka na-atụ.
Damn! Omalecha, ihe
Nsogbu oburu no nsogbu gawa enwedum time nke mana ekwanye m agwa ka ị na-atụkwasị ka ị na-atụ ka unu jikwasị kwara nwe ji emere umbrella maka so done manya na nwoke ọbụla wu nwoke pụtara ụwa ga-agba mbọ ga-aba uru adeje umbrella agahuje even ụmụ nwaanyị sefo ledi nwatakịrị nwaanyị na-ịgwagwa ngụgba onye cosmetic dụrụ ya na ahụ anya gashi ya eji akọta mkpu dị isi mana oji umbrella ya na-agatakwa anwụ na-ama ya na-agafe gị wuru umbrella bata nge.
But you know it's my swag, baby. That's my swag, baby. I got a swag, baby. I'm swag. Yeah, what swag and give you another America. On if swag.
Ị na-ekwu America na ekwepụla ha si ebe send the article report abịa nga ote were akantị mmachi odukwa onye ọbụla ahụrụ ka a na-anabata na America ị nakwa ngụ bụ isi na isi United Kingdom of America enwere otu ị ga-esi kpọkarịa ha si ebe hụrụ akantị ote ka ọgụ n'ọnụ ote kochie gị ọ ka mma na ị kwetere nga ha gwa anyị na isi United Prison of Awada nke nọ n'Ọnịcha side Okpoko ama m ebe isi.
Goddamn, baby, you know me, man. But if you're not consulate one, so you want to America can see better. No, for real, baby. I came down from United States of America, baby. Believe me, man. Adema baliamu nya etu even yi koja ichano jana na baliamu.
Onye hụ ka mana gị guzo ngụgba a ga-akpa anya abụọ onye ara. Ọ ka mana m jiri ehihie chọwa ewu ojii tupu ha atụwa maka sara agbakwuo na mbeibe. Nna m eteke ya m sabbatical leave. Baby. Egbe elu gbagbukwa ego. Baby.
Nsogbu. No, nsogbu. Goddamn, baby. No, for real, man. But I came from United States of America, baby. Everybody know me. Even Nsogbu, he knows me, man. Obia bolaja, gabuelu nagari, ebe mfulu nwata nwa agbo, nnekuta ajaludi boho. Ihe. What up, sexy mama? No, for real, baby. I came down from United States of America, baby. Nsogbu, ifulu. Chai. Baby, are you crying?
Mommy.
What get you put see no quick I can no anything.
My tablet nenny young one yet chigaraga. I have I get the city where better.
Oh la. What get you? A bang balagagua? Oh, have you seen everything with your own eyes? I will look at you. Ogwangwagagba na bati afugu ife kubi wele liyo badalo badila sola jaludi boho nalia ogwangwagagba ewu you need to stop crying. I better not na tell Bat yes Nsogbu ajaludi boho. Nalia, I told you that, man. Stop crying, baby. No. Ogechi, you need to stop crying, baby. I better not No, you are too soft to be crying. Daddy is here. I'ma take care of you. Rich homie like me, I will take care of you, Ogechi. No, Ogechi, you need to stop crying. You're too pretty and too beautiful for this, man. Okay, Ogechi, listen. I will take you to United States of America. If you get to Atlanta, Georgia, you select any of my mansion and leave. Okay, you know I got too much money in Nigeria and in West Fargo, in United States of America. Stop crying. I will take care of you, man. You know, bro? Come inside. Come inside. Let me wipe your tears. Oh, Daddy, see, I'ma take care of you. I got money, man. Bia can feature Nanja. Okay, Nanja can feature everything. Oh la. Okay, chia betina. Nanja. Nzokwa. Ihe Ogbanja na si na dịghị nwụrụ.
Dikwa. Mụwakwa.
Ihe Ogbanja na si na dịghị anwụrụgo.
Kedu si ebute mu fake news?
No, for real, baby. Everywhere I go, I hear people say, "Ajagba ni na-eruju, ina-eruju."
Ujukwa. Chineke kwukwana. Eyiri nga na-eyi uju.
Oh, ide eruju. Ihe
n'ụlọ gị ka m na-abịa o. Nwefuzie gị ebe.
Oh, n'ijije n'ụlọ m. Bem gị ijije.
Yes.
Mụ na gị akala agba. Anyị akala aka n'ihi abịa bem. Oge, kedu ife ijije bem eme?
Okay, ka m gwazie gị ebe. Achọ m ka ị kpọrọ m gaa obodo oyibo ka iti m na budget.
Nzagwa. Oh, lo. Ihe n'ịjọlụ ka mkpọlụ nya tinye gị na budget. Ndị mbedu efeni.
Gbam.
Duluzie nya tinyezie gị na budget. Kedu ebe mbedu gị efeni dulu gị jebe ebe?
United States of America na.
Oh, lo. Ihe Ndolo Java United States of America. No, for real, baby. I can't take you to United States of America, baby. Imwalu di boho, udi ajalu di boho muna hana emeke ife. Imwagwande muna hana aku. Okay, let me ask you. Do you know Nicki Minaj, baby? No. Do you know Rihanna, baby? No, for real, man. Do you know Cardi B, baby? Cardi B nguk we na anoka rubber. Nko ya go gbogide egwu. Ifunu go Cardi B ya bo na ewu egwu na club. O na go gbogide egwu. Cardi B ji egwu. Gbogide egwu nya. Isi elika. Ama mbule ego niile nwe. Na abu ya Cardi B. Ni ifunu go ya bo na shege ukwu ya. Isi ga mkpolo jebe America. What will I tell Cardi B, baby? No, talk to me. What will I tell Rihanna, baby? Nandulu welu America. What will I tell Rihanna, baby? Get it come out, Rihanna.
If I can't say negi.
No, for real, baby.
If I can't say negi. Can go iko boda agulam. If any na ko basa derim, ma shegere kan chukenegi. Ndiri ni posla fafa, fe bidiri yambu. Imo kuri kpọrọ m na abata na club me oto. Hey, club tiwa ụzọ na abụ.
Ihe no mbalụ bata na club ime ya club agbabe ibua. Mambia. Okay, let me talk to you. Let me ask you now. If I take you to United States of America, milk industry Nigeria. Milk industry Nigeria. Milk industry America. Are you going to work in milk industry? If I take you to United States of America. No, answer me, baby. It's a milk industry Nigeria. Jevena milk industry United States of America. Kong odalo milk industry America. Ngupia ngoya piala piata. Ona keep wezulolo. Ona milk keep. It's a gandalon ka ngupia ngoya piala piata na. Milk. What will I tell Rihanna? What will I tell Nicki Minaj? You talk Nicki Minaj. Now milk industry Nigeria. We be na milk industry America. Call dalo milk industry America ngopia. Oivagi na jogi ma ki bulu milk industry nke je contaminate ya milk industry America. You lie, baby. I'm not taking you to anywhere, baby. You ain't going anywhere, baby. Get it talk Nicki Minaj. No, for real, baby. Do you know the kind of club I go? With Jay-Z and Cardi B, baby. If you know where Cardi B na abwegu, ki joga ndulu, ki inwe ukwu eji abwegu. Inwe ukwu. No. Inwe ukwu. Ibulu so milk industry. Ki ije contaminate ya milk industry America. It's a lie. It's a lie. Lie. Asi na me duroga eje America.
Muna gana bu na aga America.
No, for real, baby. You ain't going anywhere, baby.
Kongo kwa muna gana bu na aga dia.
Durongi eje anywhere. You ain't going anywhere.
Muna gana by force.
What do you want me to tell Rihanna?
Yes, kwa gwafa. Muna gana bu na.
No. What do you want me to tell Nicki Minaj, baby? Nkibu ezulolo. Ida tokwa ki ijeva na milk industry mmadu. Bulunu nkege. Ihe Mambo kwa itipia milk industry America.
Iya akpọkọ m wee ga.
Asi.
Iya akpọ m o.
Iya dalo milk industry America. Tipia.
Iya akpọ m wee ga.
No, for real, baby.
Iya akpọ m wee ga.
What will I tell Nicki Minaj?
Apu iya akpọ m iya akpọ m wee ga.
No, I can't do that, baby.
Iya akpọ m wee ga o.
Alright, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.